Introduction to JavaScript Onclick. It is a JavaScript event that gets triggered when a mouse click is registered on a specific HTML element. It is a key tool for creating interactive websites. Understanding JavaScript Onclick, it allows the JavaScript engine to react and execute a block of code when the user interacts with the website via a mouse click. Example: a button on a web page that, when clicked, triggers an onclick event to execute a JavaScript function displaying an alert message. Applying JavaScript Onclick, it can be used in various real-world scenarios, such as adding products to a shopping cart on an e-commerce website or loading comments on a blog. Example: an onclick event used to toggle the visibility of a text element on a web page. Common pitfalls and tips to avoid them. Always include parentheses after the function name when using onclick event to call a function. JavaScript is case-sensitive, so onclick is not the same as onclick. Avoid writing long-running code or code that blocks the browser's main thread in onclick event handlers to prevent the browser from becoming unresponsive.